Hi everyone, today's video is about ginger, how to store and dry fresh ginger. As you see here, I have some chopped ginger, whole ginger, and in the jar right here is dried ginger that I can use for cooking or to make ginger tea. Stay with me and I will show you all the methods of storing and drying fresh ginger. As you see here, I chopped some fresh ginger. I put it on zip bags that will go to the freezer. You can store it this way, or you can only cut it big and also keep it in the freezer bags. They freeze really good, the ginger. Whenever you need it, you will take a piece and grate it or cut it and add it to your stir fry dishes or any food that you cook. Also, you can peel the skin off with the back of a knife or spoon and grate the ginger and put it on the silicone molds like that, and put it in the freezer for a few hours or overnight. When you freeze completely, take it off the silicone molds and put it in a freezer bag and keep it in the freezer. That's very easy. I will share also 2 ways of drying ginger. The first way is drying the ginger in the oven. You will take your ginger after you wash it really good, you rinse it, then you cut it pieces like that and put it in the food processor. You will chop it like you chop in the onions or carrots or zucchini, like that. You keep the skin and everything. Then you take a baking sheet, you put your parchment paper so the ginger don't stick to your baking sheet. You spread it in one layer and you put it in an oven, a preheated oven on 250 degrees Fahrenheit, very low. If it's high, it will burn. You need only to dehydrate and dry this ginger. 250, one layer. Then you, from time to time, each few minutes you stir it until that you see that all the ginger is dry. It will take few minutes, but if you have a big quantity, it will take longer. If you have a small quantity, it will take maybe like 20 minutes. Here I'm stirring the ginger the halfway, I think after 10 minutes I start stirring. You see already the color is getting darker, it changed and it start drying. And this is our final product of drying the ginger in the oven. It's completely dry, it's not burned. Look at it when I put it on my hand, and be sure that it's totally dry. If it's not, you can put it on top of your table on a clean sheet or kitchen towel overnight, and when it dries completely, you can put it in a clean, dry glass jar, put it in your spices cabinet or with your tea. That's how you store it, and whenever you want make some tea or cook, you can use it. The other way to dry the ginger is to chop it too in the food processor like that. Then put it on top of a clean cloth or sheet, spread it and leave it to dry on the air. And if it's summertime, the weather is hot, you can put it outside in the backyard, or then cover it with another sheet and leave it to dry. But leave it on the shady areas, not directly on the sun. I will leave it like that, and you will see how many days it will take to dry on the air like that. And that's the picture of the ginger after 2 days. It's still not dry. It started drying, but not quite. And this one after 5 days. The color start changing and it start drying better. It took 6 to 7 days to dry out. After 7 days on the shade, the ginger is dry, completely dry. But if you have hot days like summer time, it will dry like maybe on 3 days, 4 days, less than that time. Look, it's really good, very concentrated, completely dry. You can use it to make your ginger tea, or you can ground it to make a ginger powder. The same way like drying it in the oven, you can store this ginger in a clean, dry glass jar and use it whenever you like. It's very concentrated. Use only a little bit for to make a ginger tea or to cook with it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos. Enjoy!